is. I missed it. I missed it, TV! TV! There it is! I am. Woo! Woo! Shout out to everyone in the chat.
Visit us on the web at rockfortrees.com. We're 6 miles south.
Woo! Here. Still here. Woohoo! Woo! That was a good catch. And now we have to wait for the phones to go off and explode in my face.
Shop JCPenney. Offers valid 8/8 to 8/11. Exclusion.
Come on, phones, go!
At Lazy Boy Furniture.
Come on!
Shopping experience is
Phones!
furniture. Choose from an incredible selection of chairs, sofas, sectionals, and more.
Oh,
With
whoops.
absolutely no pressure. It's comfort redesigned. Announcing the Lazy Boy Anniversary Sale. Friday.
They're not going off.
50% off everything in the
Well, at least we got
options.
finally, we got the yearly test. Oh, there it is, guys. Okay. I got the test. Okay, so we're gonna stay here until our phones go off. So there we go. Woo! Yearly test. Let's go, boys. I dropped the batteries on the floor. Woo!
Miles per hour. For Friday, mostly sunny.
Nope. It's just the weekly test.
Let's do it.
97Z OK weather brought to you by Upper Iowa University. New classes.
Okay, well, I don't know if I'm going to get copyright, but
Upper Iowa.
there we go. Now we only have to wait for the phones to go off. Okay, yearly test. There we go. Well, I guess we can update you when the phones go off. I know, I'm stupid. How did I crack my phone? You'll find out later. Ooh, disgusting. Okay. Stand that on the recom again. All right, well. Oh yeah, it didn't have a voice either. Yeah, it didn't have a voice. I'm on Discord. Yeah, see, I'm on Discord. If you're not already, go onto the Emergency Alert Society. It's the best Discord server ever. One of the best Discord servers besides mine. And yep. So we'll see when this is gonna go. So yeah, we'll see when the phones go. Alright, it's been a few minutes. I got my firearm keys here because I just wanted to hold them for a minute. Expansions, and their phones went off, but mine did not. So we are gonna see what's wrong with that in a minute.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
That's the only thing I got. None of the recom is already done with that. But yeah, there, and then there. It's only required weekly test, not national test. Yep. See? So yeah, the 120 in the TV went off over there. I don't want to get copyright, but
To NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford, serving north central Illinois, including Rockford, Belvedere, and DeKalb. The current.
Okay, well, the phones have not gone off, and I don't know why. This is why this is why emergency alert systems are effective on phones. They never go off. Yeah, the phones phones have not gone off yet. That's surprising. Like a first. Because usually my iPhone always goes off with the radios. But since it's not, since it's the national, it's going to take a little bit. So, we will update you guys again. So, well, sadly, guys, it's not on phones. I know, I'm sorry, guys, but unfortunately, they didn't want to air it on phones. I'm sorry. But hey, at least you got the radio, radio on this go off. Yes, I can't bend this finger, but yeah, that's what happened. So, yup. So, see, whatever. I can't do it. It's my middle finger. And I don't want to get demonetized. Oof. But yeah, I guess it's not going to be aired on phones. That's sad. But hey, I think you should expect a unboxing on Friday or Monday. So, yep, with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.